Today we are going to present our project on online exam portal, and our guide is Professor Pooja Vinawal and myself Swati Patil and my teammates Ekta Patil, Shubham Patil and Mahesh Patil. These are the contents of our project, and I am going to explain introduction. Online examination is efficiently used in day-to-day life because it saves time, and also it is most accurate system. It is necessary for every technical student to have basic knowledge of online examination system, and also store repository of exams, auto grading, flexible time saver and security. Abstract. Online examination portal is web-based application for technical evaluation. Online examination portal not only replace paperwork but also release the workload of faculty. Problem definition. The aim of this project is to provide quick, immediate and easy way to appear the exam. Login module helps the user to log in the site. For that, he or she must type the username and password correctly. The login provision in this page helps the already registered user to directly access the site, and there is the link for registration to user who is new to this site. Problem statement. We are going to make the attractive examination portal in which user can create the account, after which user have to sign in to attempt the test. For the currently existing portal, we know have some problems like crashing or getting hanged. We will try to overcome this problem. We are trying to make this site robust, reliable, and it takes less bandwidth to move from one page to next page. We have also working on encryption decryption of the password using some algo. Literature survey.
Modules. There are three types of module: registration module, administrative module, student module. In registration module, this module is for student where user login into own account after registration. In registration, student have to fill basic information. Next one is administrative module. In this module, administrator manage the site and update the context of regular intervals and set the question and conduct the exam. In student module, student can log in his account anytime and check marks. Next one is software requirement. In software requirement, Windows XP and others are operating system. Front end we use PHP, HTML and CSS, and MySQL is on back end. Hardware requirement. Client side, any browser you can use. Processor Pentium 2.0, RAM 256 MB required, and server side Pentium 2.0 processor and 1 GB RAM required, and 4 GB hard disk space. And the advantages is physical presence at a given location is absolutely not necessary. Result available instantly. Easy accessibility, user friendly, secure because authentication. And the disadvantages are require high speed internet, chances of server crashes, chance of hacking.
Features: easy approval process, configurable roles and permissions, instant notification of exam schedules, high level proctoring, multi language support, on screen evaluation for instant results, exhaustive reports and dashboard. Applications: security of examination paper, quick result processing, get rid of examination centers, reduced logical cost. System design: the goal of this phase is to convert the requirements into a structure that is suitable for implementation in some programming language. The online examination system uses client-server architecture. At the client, by using web browser, can connect via internet or localhost with the server, where PHP and MySQL in the server side are responsible for the preparing exams processes and save and return data from the database. System analysis. A data flow diagram can be categorized in the following forms: context diagrams, an overview of an organizational system that shows the system boundaries, external entities that interact with the system, and the major information flows between the entities and the system. In this diagram, a single process represents the whole system. Level 0. It is designed to be an at a glance view showing the system as a high level process with its relationship to external entities. Level 1. A data flow diagram that represents a system measure processes, data flows and data stores at a high level of detail. Level 2. It goes one step deeper into parts of one level DFD. It can be used to plan or record the specific details about the system's functioning. Proposed system. In comparison to present system, the proposed system will be less time consuming and is more efficient. Result will be very precise and accurate and will be declared in very short span of time because calculation and evaluations are done by the simulator itself. The proposed system is very secure as no chances of leakage of question paper as it is dependent on administrators only. The logs of app read candidates and are stored their marks are stored and can be backup for future use.
Next is result. First one is a registration page. Next is a login page. Is a exam page. Is a ranking page. And is a feedback page. Existing system. A number of online examination system software are available today. The system of online exam has been widely adopted by a good number of organizations and universities. The task of maintaining records, scorecard, student detail, question paper, and so on is very easy to manage by the system. Future scope. The web application involves almost all the features of the online examination. The future implementation will be online helps for the users and chatting with the website administrator. Conclusion. We have tried to implement an examination portal for those who want to give the exam online and want to practice for the competition. When user register on a portal and password is stored in the encrypted for using some algo, user can take the test online or his her choice regarded for field and see the progress according to the scorecard generated. Next one is the references or for any doubt or any question. Thank you for watching our video. Now we execute our code. Is our main page coding. There are all models like registration, administrator and student model, and here our data connection file. We can connect MySQL with the help of that file, and login form code is here. Now we can run our project. Is our main page and registration page. Student can register his account or create his account with the help of that page, and here admin login is. Admin can log in creating exam with the help of that. Here all the exams are in queues. We can add a new quiz with the help of that option. Now we get exam. Here our result display instantly. There is a rank, history, home page. All options are there. Student can appear a next exam with the help of home page, and his logout button is upside. Now I can show you database files. Here all data are stored in MySQL server. Oh, thank you.